Hi everyone, well today is going to be a little bit different as I need to get my little saloon mini on the road as the MOT's now run out, but there's not really anything greatly wrong with it, but I do need to change the start motor. Right, so the battery's all disconnected and let's whip it off. I've got my 9/16 spanner to undo the main bolts, and surprisingly the cable is actually 10mm, which I was a bit surprised because I thought it was going to be 7/16. There you go. One start motor out. Oh, he's dry. Don't know. Right, I'm going to have a little play with that and then I'll be back. Right, so we do have a slight problem. This is the one out of my yellow mini, and it's got 10 teeth, which it is a bit dry, so I might have to just give it a spray up and try it back in there. It might be that. This one is in this, the one out of the estate, the 1100 one, but this one's only got 9 teeth on the dog. So I found this one, but that's out the 1275, and this thing is absolutely seized solid. So this is basically scrap. So what do I do? Or do I try and find one in another engine which are buried? Right, I think first is like give this one a spray up and see if that helps. It don't take long to fetch. Right, so I've given this a spray up now, and it does seem a bit freer. This is the one that was on it originally. Probably not going to be able to see very well. It is. So I'm going to stick it back in and see if it's any better. let's connect the battery up and see what it spins over like now. Badly out front. Right, clean the plugs up now, so let's give it another go. It's got a spark, so it's got petrol, so it should go. But will it? That'd be a no then. It's trying. Very trying. Alright, it's a bit of a cheat because I've already had it running, but yeah, I've just changed the plugs and it fired straight up. They were a bit sooty to be honest, so it's probably running a bit rich still. At least that's stage one now, getting it back on the road. Not that it's been off the road long. Hi everyone, I thought I'd just do a quick walk around on my saloon mini that I've got. As I've been over here working on it today anyway. Yeah, let me show you around it. Right, well it started off as a Mini City E, 1982, but as you can see there's quite a few bits and pieces missing when I got it anyway, so it was never going to be put back to original anyway, but it does still have the original 998 A Plus engine in it. Now obviously it's got like a stage 1 kit on it, bought from Mini Sport, with a cone filter. What can you say? Electronic ignition, Lucas Sport coil, bit of new radiator. Yeah, that's about it under there really. Didn't initially fit arches on it, but because the wheels should well they do fit under the arches without, or they do fit under the wings without having arches, but I did find that because the tyres are a touch too wide, it was just, I got fed out of it flicking the mud up all up the side, well mainly at the back, but so fitting the arches resolved that issue, and I think it does look quite good anyway. What else have we got? I'm trying to think of their name now, but it's got a vinyl roof from, oh yeah, Optimised Automotive, that's where I got that from. Same place where Tom Short had all his interior done, but I did fit it myself, and to be honest, for my first ever attempt at doing it, it did come out very well, I thought. It's a shame I wasn't doing the videos then, otherwise I could have done one on that. Yeah, when I got it, it was a mess, but all the front wings are all still original, the front panels original. It did have new Yeah, new A panels. That door's original. The other door had a new skin on it. Seals and a couple of patches on the floor was all it needed at the front anyway. The boot had like a hinge repair panel. What else did it have? Yeah, hinge and all the normal repair sections in the boot, which it's not very tidy in there, but it's not a show car, it's a use and show car, if that makes sense. Like I said earlier, fitted my new steering wheel today, fitted LED lights in my centre speedo, because I couldn't see the speedo at night. You don't realise how bad these cars used to be. But yeah, still need to get another rear seat, well, going to get a new rear seat cover set to match the front seats now, I think. Had a new headlining in it, fitted by myself. Yeah, trying to think what the wheels are. I think they're John Brown Mini Light copies, and they're sitting on 7.5-inch disc conversion, which you're probably not going to be able to see under there, but I might be able to just about make it out. I've got to fit some shock absorbers on it as well now. That's because now I've lowered it, I've bought some lowered shocks to fit on it. Got a pair for the rear, which got brand new in the box, which has just been sat around in someone's house for I don't know how long. I just bought a new pair for the front. So we're going to fit them. We're going to do the back ones first. Because I've got to move the tank out of the way, haven't I? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I did do a few miles last year. Done to London to Brighton, Brooklands. Went to Bewley as well, plus a few little local shows as well. But it hasn't been used for a few months, so I thought it's about time I'll get it back on the road rather than neglecting it, because I've been spending all of my time working on this, which is not going to get finished for quite a long time, is it? Let's be real. Alright, okay. I'll catch you later. Cheers. Bye.